To avoid losses in your organization, you need to have good plans in place from the beginning to understand what's most valuable to your organization, to be able to put the right defenses around those systems, and then to be able to know when you need to be called or you need to make new decisions about how to respond to an event that occurs. Um, Organizations like yours need to make the investment in the defensive technologies, things like multi-factor authentication. A lot of organization leaders don't want to have the hassle of a multi-factor authentication to make it more difficult to get into systems. We're here to tell you that that's one of the most significant things that you can do to prevent somebody coming into your organization and taking your intellectual property, to taking down your services. That fundamental in being able to continue your operations.